Big day 5-9, day 59. So we now got a bit of light on the subject, so I can show you a little bit more as to what was done yesterday. I can talk to Colin about what the plan is for today. Come on, Col. So it looks like obviously some of the damp proofing was put down, which is good, which we saw last night. It looks like obviously the pit was rolled quite a lot as well. So the main slabs themselves, obviously they're starting to put the rebar stroke steel work down, but the DPM sheeting is down first. So we need to make sure that the pest treatment has been done as well. I'm assuming that goes down on the mile before the concrete, which I'm not too sure if they did. They're removing the actual boxing from the outside. We had loads of rain again last night. So yeah, this is a lot better. So this is technically what they've now re-rolled. Oh, that's gunky. Oh God. Bloody rain. So yeah, they probably need to re-roll this again today and then get it up a little bit higher. I'm assuming they're going to pull some of that in and maybe get another couple of mile deliveries in. Basically, we need to be getting to the level there, just where that block is, on here. And this here needs to be up to that level as well. So it's probably about a foot we need to be going up by. So wall's done. Boxing all taken off. The cap on the wall at the back has been finished. So they're now plastering the other side. I think they're going to plaster this side as well today. And they were filling those boxes over there yesterday as well. So that's been filled. That's going to be built today. Plastering on both sides. That wall and that wall will obviously be done today as well, I assume. And they'll be finishing off, obviously, sheeting all of this and laying rebar for the rest of the week. So we're aiming to actually pour. To pour Monday, Tuesday. That's the aim at the moment. So fingers crossed we can meet that goal. It's a stiff goal, that's for sure, but definitely one that can be achieved. So I'll speak to Colin in a minute and find out what the plan is for the day, and then we'll report back a bit later on and see what's actually been achieved. But yeah, lots and lots of rebar. Obviously, most of the rebar has been made already. It's in the containers. They've been making it where that bench is, and they've been putting it in the containers. So most of it's already been made. It's a case of now bringing it out, smocking it, which is obviously the concrete blocks, and getting it off the ground and getting it tied in. So lots to do, but the rest of the week to do it in.